What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in today. I have a huge sneaker haul for you today. I've been accumulating sneakers over the past couple of weeks. I just want to show everything that I got. Let's just get right into it, you guys. I don't want to keep you waiting because I'm really excited to show you what I got. Some crazy stuff, some decent stuff, and yeah, let's just get into it. This first box I got from Adam Saldana. He's actually a really good friend of mine. He shot and edited my Chicago trip video. He actually did my intro as well. I'm gonna put his handle on the screen for you guys if you want to hit him up for any content creation, anything graphic design. He's really cool guy. He threw me these sneakers. These are not mine, so hit him up. I appreciate you, Adam, for throwing me these sneakers. It's just a sneaker that I wasn't able to cop, so he threw them to me so I could show you guys. But it is actually the Jordan 1 silver toe. You guys check it out over here. You got silver on the back, on the Wings logo here. The Wings logo is black, but you got it over here on the collar, and then the toe, obviously silver toe, black bottoms. But yeah, really clean. This is a women's colorway. You got like glittery extra laces right there. So yeah, Nike's been pumping out Jordan 1s and just Jordans in general for women's, and I think it's really cool what they're doing. But yeah, that's the first shoe, you guys. I'm gonna throw it down here and keep going because I have quite a few shoes I have to show you. This next box is someone I hit up locally. I think his name is Sebastian. But yeah, I bought the Street Hawkers off of him as well. But yeah, he hit on these, the UNLV Dunk Lows right here, you guys. Really clean shoe, red bottoms, gray and red color blocking right there. You got Nike right there on the tongue as well, Nike on the back. But yeah, I really dig these Dunks. They're a size 10. I'm gonna start getting rid of some of this stuff that's not my size. I just want to consolidate a little bit and keep stuff that's in my size and get rid of the stuff that's not. So yeah, these are size 10. I'm contemplating on keeping these. They're not that expensive, and I really don't really wear any of my other Dunks. So I might rock these right here. But let's move these to the side. I got a 350 box, you guys. I was really disappointed I wasn't able to hit these for retail. I really thought I was going to because I was hitting everything on Adidas, and then these dropped and I didn't hit, so really disappointing. But these are actually the 350 breads, you guys. Check it out over here. Just the all black with the red branding right there. Heel tab, of course, boost midsole. You guys know what it is with the 350 breads. Absolutely gorgeous shoe, and something I'm really looking forward to rocking when spring hits. I got my zebras up there. But this is another shoe, another Yeezy that I really wanted, and I don't really like a whole lot of Yeezys, but the Zebras was one, and this is the second one that I really wanted, and so I'm pretty much good on Yeezys. I don't really want any other Yeezys. So let's get into the boxes, the brown boxes, you guys. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna go randomly. I don't know what is what because I got them all at like random times, but this is let's go for this one right here. Dropped my knife, about cut my toe right there, but here we go on this first one. A couple of these, actually a few of these I got from Soul Supremacy, which is Soul Steals. If you guys want to check out some of my Soul Steals mystery boxes, I did a couple of them in my old videos. So yeah, this first one is exciting because I wanted this. This is kind of this box, or this shoe was evading me. There's the box, you guys. It's a Union box, and you guys already know I have the guava pair, so you already know which one this is going to be. It's the Union LA Jordan 4 in the black colorway. So check it out over here. Very crispy bottoms right there, and the stitched tongue, and then the Nike Air on the back. But you guys have seen these a million times. You already know what it is, but super excited to have these in the collection. It's my size. The guavas are not my size, so I might get rid of the guavas and just hang on to these. These are so fresh, you guys. So nice. But yeah, that's the first shoe I got from Soul Steals. I'm running out of room here. Let's throw them down here for a minute and go on to the next one. This one might be Soul Steals. It might not be. I forget where I got that last pair. Are they all Soul Steals? They might all be Soul Steals. This one is This is kind of just a regular Nike box. I don't even remember what's in here, but not a crazy box. Oh yeah, yes, I got these from Soul Seals. Check out the paper, you guys. Check out the paper. Cactus Jack, and it says Travis on it. Oh, no, Trails. Sorry, that probably gave it away. But this is my first time seeing these in hand, and it is the it's an older shoe, but it is the Travis Scott Air Max 270. Check it out. Just a shoe that I always really wanted. It wasn't crazy in price. It was like $400 or $500. But yeah, a lot of different materials on here. You got like mesh. You got like a furry material in the back here. Just like canvas on the front here. I don't know, just a bunch of crazy materials, and I don't know how comfortable these are, but I have the Travis Scott 4s, the 1s, the Dunks, and I just wanted to add these to the collection, to the Travis collection. But yeah, really excited to have these as well. Let's move on. Let's move on, you guys. I have two more here, and not sure which is which, but they're both good. And the last two are Jordan 1s, so we actually saved the best for last, and I didn't do that on purpose, but the last two are Jordan 1s. And this one looks like it's an old Jordan release, because look at this Jordan 1 box, you guys. Look at this Jordan 1 box. It's got a Wings logo. It's got a Wings logo on it. Yeah, you don't normally see Jordan 1 boxes with Wings logos. There's a Soul Supremacy right there in a size 9.5. So yeah, my size. And this is a 2013, you guys, a 2013 Jordan 1 Chicago High dead stock with the Jumpman on the back, you guys. You got Jumpman Air on the tongue. These have aged beautifully. Like, it's not the best leather. The leather is like really flat on these. Not the best quality leather, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I have the off-white one, Chicago's, obviously. I got Breads. I got the Unions, but I didn't have a regular pair of Chicago Highs. And wow. Let me show you guys the other shoe just to see if there's any like factory flaws on them. But yeah, another one here with the Jumpman. Chicago 2013 Chicago Jordan 1, you guys. Pretty sure it's 2013. There's no date on the box, but yeah, this thing is beautiful. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be so much. I didn't think it was gonna be so nice. I'm falling in love with 1s, you guys. I'm falling in love with 1s. I might just sell everything and just keep all my 1s. But last shoe is also another Jordan 1, you guys. Another Jordan 1. And this is actually from GOAT. This is from GOAT. I try to go for these. This is a more recent drop, too. This is a more recent drop. Let's see if I can get the box out in timely fashion here. But yeah, here's the box right here. Jordan 1. And there's the GOAT sticker and GOAT card. And the paper is actually pretty dope. Jumpman and Wings logo on the paper. And this one, oh dang, they're like individually wrapped too. This is the Jordan 1 High neutral gray. Check it out over here, you guys. You got the 1985 cut. You got the gray bottoms. And just sick shoe, you guys. I don't know what this tab is about. I've never seen this before on a Jordan 1, but yeah, extra laces. Oh, you got a retro card hanging right here because it's a 1985 re-release. They haven't retroed these since 1985. Let me pull out the other one just to make sure there's no flaws on it. But whew, yeah, the laces are in here. You got some kind of tag that's fallen out. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, super sick, you guys. Super sick. I haven't done B-roll before, and I actually might do some B-roll and everything right here so you guys can get a better look. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Really excited with this unboxing. Union 4s, Travis Scott Air Maxes, Chicago ones, the neutral gray ones, Bread 350s, you guys. I have the Dunks in here, the UNLV Dunks, and then obviously the silver toes, but the silver toes are not mine. Shout out to you, Adam, again. But huge unboxing, sick unboxing, you guys. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Stay tuned. I have more shoes coming in. I'm gonna announce another giveaway really soon, and it was only right for me to wear my Air Jordan and Wings logo and Nike Air right here from Finish Line for this unboxing, just because of these ones. And yeah, really excited for all this stuff, you guys. I really appreciate you tuning in once again. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Stay safe out there, and yeah, stay tuned. Another one-on-one coming really soon. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Stay blessed. Peace.